And step number 3 is we're going to apply the auto arima forecast on the WIS assessment metrics and financial metrics for the next 12 months. And then here we have prepared the two helper functions. So the first one is to apply the auto arima forecast, giving the application data that we have prepared. And then what is the target measure we want to forecast? Is it a seasonal forecast or not? And then how many the period we want to forecast in this case? Basically, you will have performed time series forecast based on the last date of the calendar, and then giving the data with volume, for example, the data by the month in this case, and then initiate the star P, Q, and then also the max P and Q, which this auto arima will search the best arima model. You also print some summary about the model, and then you will apply the prediction for the next 12 months by the facility ID and the category. And then you will write forecast by category, by facility ID, by last date, measured of the forecast as well. And then you will indicate each forecast value instead of an actual. And then you will return the forecast data frame. And then another helper function which will help us to perform the forecast for the three measures: the waste volume, the greenhouse house, and the cost, and given the data, and then merge the data into one result data frame. We will group the data by the waste category, by the facility ID, and then the target measure to apply the forecast is the waste volume, the green gas emission, and then the cost. And then the key we're using to merge all of this forecast result, the waste category, facility ID, calendar month, and last date, and whether it's actual or forecast. And then we'll call this function, and then it will take a while to run it. Okay, let's give a go. And then the merge, and then now let's run it. Now the model is starting to, it will take a few minutes to finish to do the forecast and then apply the prediction. So here was the summary of the forecast model. So there were some critical criteria like the AIC, the BIC, and the less the better. So basically, it figured out when the P and Q, what would be the best optical P and Q to find the best forecast model in this case. Yeah, it's still ongoing. Okay, now it has been finished for the forecast. And then the next, let's merge the actual result and the forecast result into one merged data frame. And then now, as you can see, we having the actual result from the original, and then we having the forecast, the time series forecast result as well.